Hello students, let us do some more important problems on circles. If the polar of the points on the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square, with respect to the circle x square plus y square is equal to b square, touches the circle x square plus y square is equal to c square, then prove that a, b, c are in geometrical progression. So here we heard 2 points, polar, pole. So let us see first what is polar and what is a pole. Okay. So what is a, suppose S is equal to 0 is a circle. So this is the circle. From outside any point in the plane, okay, if you draw the lines, the lines cut the circle at Q and R. Okay, so if you draw a line from point P to the circle such that the line intersects the circle at Q and R. Okay. If you draw tangents to Q and R, so they will meet at a point. So the point which lies on the line. So suppose if you draw tangent for this QRST. So you are drawing on another tangent, it will meet somewhere. Okay, so the line joining points, the line which is joining the intersect points is called polar of P. Is called polar of P. The point P is said to be pole. The point P is said to be pole. So what is the polar equation to the circle? The polar equation to the circle is S1 is equal to 0. The polar equation of the circle, the polar equation to the circle from this point Px1, y1. So S1 means you know that xx1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equals to 0. This is S1 equals to 0. Okay. So this is the polar equation. Coming to the problem. So let us take Px1, y1 is a point on the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. That means let this be the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. P is a point. P x1 y1 is a point on the circle. From this point, x square plus y square is equal to b square. Polar of P. That means polar equation to B. That means, so let it be the circle x square plus y square is equal to b square. From this point, polar equation. See, that means the intersect point, if you draw the intersect points here, so the polar equation will be like this. Okay. So from this point, if you draw polar equation, what happens? It is a tangent to x square plus y square is equal to c square. That means, so from this point, the polar equation is tangent to x square plus y square is equal to c square. From the polar of P is tangent to x square plus y square is equal to c square. Now we need to show that x square plus y square is a, b, c are in geometrical progression. Okay, now, so this is the point on the circle. Now, polar of P to the circle x square plus y square is equal to b square. So what is the polar equation? Is S1 is equal to 0. That means xx1 plus yy1 is equal to b square. Xx1 plus yy1 is equal to b square. This equation, this polar equation is tangent to the third circle. X square plus y square is equal to c square. So, equation 1 is tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to c square. So equation 1 is tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to c square. So if it is a tangent, the perpendicular distance from radius, from center to the tangent is equal to radius. The perpendicular distance from center of the circle to the tangent is equal to radius. Okay. Now, what is the perpendicular distance? So, perpendicular distance from center 0, 0 to xx1 plus yy1 is equal minus b square equals to 0 is c. Radius of third circle c. Okay. So now calculate the perpendicular distance. Center 0, 0, radius is c. So now we need to find the perpendicular distance from the center of the third circle to this tangent. Okay. So the third circle is x square plus y square is equal to c square. So that c is the radius and center is 0, 0. Okay. Now, what is the perpendicular distance formula? Ax plus by plus c equals to 0. This is the line equation. The perpendicular distance from x1, y1 to this line is ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root a square plus b square. The formula for perpendicular distance from any point to the line is ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root a square plus b square. So here the equation is x1. This is a here. So we need to convert the line equation in the form of ax plus by plus c. So this is a, this is b, this is c. So how can we write it? x1x plus y1y minus b square is equal to 0. So here a equals to x1, b equals to y1. Now from the point 0, 0 we need to calculate. Okay. So x1 into 0 plus y1 into 0 minus b square by root over x1 square plus y1 square equals to c. So that is a perpendicular distance formula. We use that. Okay. Now x1 square plus y1 square is there. We know that P x1 y1 is a point on x square plus y square is equal to a square. Okay, that means that point satisfies the equation of the circle. So x1 square plus y1 square is equal to a square we will get. So substitute the value here. So here we will get modulus of minus b square is equal to b square by root over this is a square is equal to c. Now b square root and this one we can cancel. So b square is equal to c into a. B square is equal to c into a. So that we can say that a, b, c are in geometrical progression. or in GP. So ABCR, B square is equal to CAR, B square is equal to AC. So if B square is equal to AC, we can say that ABCR in geometrical progression. Okay, children, I hope you understand the problem. Thank you.